Information technology is the use of computer systems or devices to access information or digital world. Today, IT plays a prominent role in our workforce, business operations, and personal access to information. Information technology is a broad term that involves the use of technology to communicate, transfer data, and process information. It is divided into analytics, automation, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, cybersecurity, networking, software, database, wireless, voice, collaboration, data centers, and many, many more. This is a never-ending list as new technologies are emerging every day and new subfields are emerging also. Everyone is dependent on IT nowadays for something or other. So IT has unlimited potentials and possibilities. We use information technology on a personal level to connect, to communicate with others, play games, share media, shop, and be social. Similarly, for business users, the use cases are endless. Similarly, the job opportunities in IT are increasingly rapidly. So it is a glorious field with never-ending possibilities. Just think of any field, any medical, oil and gas, automotive, any field, and everywhere you will see IT. You will rarely find pen and papers in the office today in terms of business operations. Usually the business operations are towards IT, and all business units are upgraded to IT, which is facilitating them a lot. Then there is a term ICT, Information Communication Technology. Basically, as per the definition, ICT is a bigger umbrella where the C part, the communication part is included, which is the telecom. So it is also categorized as a big umbrella. But usually in our day-to-day use, we have seen that this ICT term is inclined towards education settings, where you will find ICT departments in schools and universities and all. In general sense, ICT is described as using computers and other digital technologies to help individuals or institutions in handling or using those information. Electronic textbooks, institutional software, emails, chat, and distance learning programs are also example of ICT. Some people also confuse computer science with IT. Computer science refers to basically designing and building of computer and computer programs. Information technology, on the other hand, refers to maintaining and troubleshooting those computers and their networks, systems, databases to ensure they run very smoothly. Thank you for your time. See you tomorrow.